I'm Ahmed. Today I'm recording this to give an honest review on Sir Daulat and Ma'am Maryam Zulfikar training wali. So it is an preview. So now we'll begin to the next part, and we'll first go to Sir Daulat, and then we'll go to Ma'am Maryam. So stay tuned. Hello everyone. So I'm recording this due to I have to make an honest review on Sir Daulat. So Sir Daulat is a great person, and he always thinks about well. If we are not doing good, he explains us. He gives us motivation. If we are going down, he gives us motivation and engage us to go in the things that we don't like, encourage us to interest in that. If we don't have, he say to develop your interest in that. And as the principal of Rehan School on Academy, Sir Daulat Education Wala is responsible for leading the academic toward excellence. His vision to build a strong foundation where students can learn through modern, high quality systems. He focuses on aligning the curriculum with international standards so that students receive knowledge that prepares them for the global world. Sir Daulat also pays an attention to improving digital learning tools, upgradation infrastructure, and setting clear goals for all staff through role accountability and performance indicators. With his leadership, the academy can continue to expand while maintaining high academic quality, consistency, and innovation. His role is not only about managing the present, but also about planning for the future of education in online world. So yeah. Hello. So now we continue with Ma'am Mariam Zulfikar Training Wali. So she is the woman and empowering woman and the best teacher, if we say. She always guide us in everything. She explained like student know that he did the mistake like that, but she does in a polite way, and she's like humbled to all of people, like some funny, some engaging. So always she engage us in new things. Like if we don't know about something, she tell us about that. And sometimes she is like serious, teachers are serious. So she's a wonderful teacher. As once principal of Rehan School Online Academy, Ma'am Mariam brings both teaching experience and strong training skills. She plays a key role in improving the quality of teaching by coaching teachers, introducing better learning methods, and encouraging innovation in the classroom. Ma'am Mariam believes that keeping students motivated through gamified learning, mentorship programs, and interactive activities. She also works on designing better systems of assessment and feedback to track students' progress in a fair and effective way. Along with this, she encourages parents and community to take part in the learning journey, which helps students feel more supported. Her documentation skills ensure that training progress and success stories are well recorded and shared. With her guidance, teachers grow in confidence, students stay engaged, and the academy builds a culture of continuous improvement. So, a wonderful woman, empowering woman, and what we can say, no words more. Yeah, she is one of the best teachers in online academy. So she's also an teacher for us, and I know what she likes. So she's always like in a normal mood and in a humble move. So she is a best teacher, and yeah. Okay, so the conclusion of these are that in conclusion, teachers are the true builders of society. They guide us from ignorance to knowledge and shape our future with care and patience. Every successful person is a result of teachers' effort. The best way to thank our teacher is by respecting them, following their lessons, and using our knowledge to help others. So thank you, teachers, for everything. We and we salute you from two hands. Thank you, teachers, for everything.